Welcome back to episode 2 of the Pennywise revamp. So in this episode, we're going to go over quite a few things, get this thing buttoned up to where we finish the project all together. So we're going to go ahead and get the new angel eyes or the demon eyes put in the headlights. The other ones we're going to do is get the bumper installed. We're going to get the fenders wrapped and installed. We're also going to get the decals put on it that actually have the Pennywise the theme, and then basically get it all slapped together, make sure it's all good to go, and then hopefully enjoy the video, and let's get to it. Let's get started. Alright, so Pennywise currently has the red DRLs that light up, but the headlight on the driver's side is actually burnt out. So what I had to do is order a new kit. So we have to take these headlights out and then take out the old DRLs that you can change with a remote and basically replace them with one that works. The other one's shorted out, so we've only got one that works, the one that doesn't, given the fact that we're making it kind of a Halloween car, theme car, because that's how it came. And so I want to keep that theme because I think it looks really cool at night when you're doing any kind of like displays or anything for that matter. So we're going to go ahead and start taking these headlights apart, and then we are going to put the new light rings inside so that we can actually have them both functioning. So we're going to get to it, get that done, and then after that we're going to go ahead and do some more assembly and getting this thing knocked out and put back together. So let's get to it. Now that we got the headlights done, what we're going to do is we're going to put a brand new bumper on it. I had it repainted or painted because it was just a matte plastic, and I had it painted the same color as the middle of the car, which is the matte black or satin black. So we're going to go ahead and put all the brand new grill pieces, lower grill, all the bezels in. As you can see, there's one back here we're going to put on, and then all the lower spoilers, diffusers, and then we have our lower splitter, which is quite big. So we're going to put that on there. So it's going to be a little bit of a lengthy process, but we're going to go ahead and get that put together, then install it on the car. So let's get to it.
The stars are pretty when the sky falls. Hey, won't you come outside? I've been away, but I don't wanna fall. Hey, you get me past tonight.
Given that this car has the Lamborghini doors on it, like I got it, as you can see, if I go to display this car, it's gonna have some white, starky contrast, and it's definitely just not gonna flow. So I'm going to wrap that door jamb and that one over there. That way it all goes as one uniform color, and it looks good. I just hope it doesn't start to scuff and look a little bit beat up after a while. If it does, I'll have to do something else. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and get to wrapping this thing and getting these door jambs from looking so starkly different. Stay tuned.
Okay, let it be known. I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me, and hopefully you understand G.O.D. Maybe this cold and I'm talking like no.
today is the day we're going to put the Pennywise decals over the red wrap. It's going to come out super cool. I'm super excited for it. I've got Peter coming over again. He had them cut out and made especially for this car, and I'm super stoked to get them put in. So stay tuned. It's going to come out pretty sweet, and I'm excited to see the finished product.
To it, I can't break. That's the thing about me. I won't put these goals on freeze. I can't break. That's the thing about me. I won't put these goals on freeze.
All right, we got the decals done. Let's do a full walk around and see what the full final result looks like out in the sun. Even though it's a little bit overcast, but needless to say, I'm very, very stoked that this car is done. It has been a long, long work in progress, but I had a vision and made it come to life. I can't draw, nor can I color very well. So the fact that I can put it to a realistic, I guess, artistic car to drive, it makes it better. So let's check it out.
Standing inside of the kitchen, I turn on the heater. I hit it, turn on my brothers and sisters and cousins and mothers until my believers get into it first. Said I'ma get into it first.
All right, the car's finished. It's been a fun build. We really appreciate you guys tuning in and watching the transformation of this car. Really appreciate your input with the color of the wide body. As you can see, obviously we decided to go ahead and go with the red, as you've seen in the part earlier in the video. It's been a fun build. I think the transformation came out awesome. Way better than it was before. I think the wide body makes it look a lot more aggressive, definitely tougher, matching the horsepower, the performance of the car. And I just love the subtleness of it, but it's still rowdy and fun at the same time. We've had quite a few people give us lots of input and lots of thumbs up of all ages, so it's been a really good time. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, appreciate the subscribes, appreciate the views. Keep them up, and we're gonna keep providing awesome content like this. So until next time, we'll see you on the next one.